Babassu oil benefits for hair growth and skin are some of the benefits discussed in this video. Babassu is a palm tree which is found in South America's Amazon rainforest. The seeds from this tree are used in the production of Babassu oil, which is edible oil. The color of this oil is yellow, and compared to other oils this oil is very light in weight. Babassu oil can be called as a multi-purpose oil because this oil can be used for daily cooking as well as it can be used in curing many health-related problems. Babassu oil contains essential vitamins and fatty acids and is solid at room temperature. However, when applied on the skin, it immediately melts. The amazing feature of this oil is that it does not feel oily at all when it is applied and gets absorbed quickly. We will discuss some health benefits of Babassu oil in this video. Babassu oil is excellent for skin care as it helps in soothing, moisturizing and protecting the skin from damage. The advantage of applying this oil is that since it is lightweight it does not clog the pores, and so even people who have oily skin or acne can also benefit greatly by applying it to their skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties can be used in treating skin diseases like eczema. Babassu oil is fantastic oil for the hair because when the oil is applied on the scalp it does not feel oily and makes the hair soft, smooth and shiny without even having to wash it. Regularly massaging this oil helps in repairing split ends and reduces hair fall and breakage. It nourishes the scalp by keeping it healthy and promotes hair growth. Also helps in treating scalp conditions like dandruff. The oil also acts as a deep conditioner. It can also be added to conditioner and shampoo to increase their effectiveness. Experiment with the amount of oil you mix to know the right consistency. The oil also checks the hair fall by increasing the strength and elasticity of the hairs. It further moisturizes the scalp to check hair fall. Babassu oil can be used as a lip balm by just applying a little bit of oil on the chapped lips. The oil helps in blood circulation of the lips and makes it look plump. At the same time, it moisturizes the lips by removing the dead skin cells and protects it from drying and keeping them soft. This is a common foot problem among adults which is painful and very embarrassing. It is important to take good care of the feet because the cracks in the heel can attract bacteria and lead to serious infections. Babassu oil has the ability to moisturize, soften and also exfoliate the dead skin on the feet. Nails are an important part of the human body as they help in protecting the fingers and toes. Even just looking at the nails one can identify the health condition of an individual. Babassu oil contains vitamin E, which is essential for strong, shiny, healthy nails, and it also helps in keeping them beautiful. The anti-inflammatory properties in this herbal oil help in relieving pain and discomfort caused by wounds. It also helps to quickly heal the wound or cut. Babassu oil is known for its antimicrobial properties, which makes it a perfect choice to eliminate body odor and acts as a natural deodorant as its fragrance lasts longer and with less drying time. It also helps in reducing sweat. The antioxidants in this essential oil help in curing any insect bites and also helps in reducing inflammation and redness caused by the bite. This marvelous oil also helps in moisturizing the skin during hot climatic conditions. Its natural cooling properties protect the skin from damage caused by the sun as well as from pollutants. The natural antioxidant present in the oil helps in destroying free radicals that contribute to aging. Babassu oil's rich fatty acids help in retaining the moisture in the skin and keep it hydrated, thereby rejuvenating the skin and making it look younger and beautiful. It also contains vitamin E, which is essential for eliminating age-related dry skin, fewer wrinkles. It smooths fine lines, firms the skin and also helps in repairing the cells. Babassu oil is excellent for skin care as it helps in soothing, moisturizing and protecting the skin from damage. The advantage of applying this oil is that since it is lightweight it does not clog the pores, and so even people who have oily skin or acne can also benefit greatly by applying it to their skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties can be used in treating skin diseases like eczema.